Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Think, Create, Explore and Innovate. Now let us begin with the introduction of all the components in this Arduino Pro kit. There are in total 23 components in this Arduino Pro kit. Starting with the introduction of the breadboard. This is a breadboard. In this, the connections are made in two different ways. In the first half, the first 5 rows are horizontally shorted and the next 5 rows are horizontally shorted, while in the second half, the 5 holes are vertically shorted. Now to connect components on this breadboard, we use different types of connecting wires. This is a male-to-male connecting wire. These are female-to-female connecting wires. Now, to connect the Arduino Uno board with the laptop or PC, we have this AB USB cable. Now, this is our Arduino Uno board. In this, the right hand side pins are the digital pins, while on the left hand side, the lower left hand side, we have the analog pins, while the upper left hand side, we have the power pins. This is a 4x4 matrix keypad module. It helps us to type numbers from 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D and 2 symbols, asterisks and hashtag on the computer screen. This is a DC motor. This is the 9-volt battery. It has a positive terminal and the negative terminal. This is a battery connector. The red end tells us about the positive terminal of the battery and the black wire tells us about the negative terminal of the battery. This is an analog IR sensor. It detects when light falls on it. This is a proximity sensor. It detects when there is some motion in front of it. This is a 7-segment display. In this, we can display numbers from 0 to 9 and it also displays a dot. This is a buzzer. This is a push button switch. It is either used to switch on or switch off a circuit. This is a 16-pin IC. You can see the pin configuration of different ICs to know how to go about the connections. This is a resistor. These resistors' value can be decoded using the color code resistor. This is a 16x2 segment display. It displays 16 characters in each of its 2 rows. This is a PIR sensor. It detects when there is some motion in front of it. This is an MQ2 sensor. It detects the presence of smoke in the surrounding. And finally, we have the diode. This is a light emitting diode. The longer end is the positive terminal of the LED and the shorter end is the negative terminal of the LED. I have explained to you all the components in this Arduino Pro kit. I hope you enjoyed making the activities, and the further description of these components and their activities is explained in the respective activities. Thank you.